Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Here are the supplies you would need. To make the perfect circle, I purchased one of these wreaths from the Dollar Tree. It can make up to 4 different sizes of circles. Now I'm going to trace 3 circles on the board to form my mirror. Then I'm going to cut all 3 of them out and glue them all together on top of one another. Now it's time to measure, center, and glue your mirrors down. Cut out 4 rows of diamond wrap. Now glue it around the edges of the board. I'm now going to glue the crushed glass onto the board. Okay, after I let my crushed glass dry, then I added some diamond wrap around the mirror and a cute little butterfly on top of the crushed glass. Now I am ready to hang my beautiful butterfly crushed glass mirror. I hope you like this project. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn your notification bell on, and comment below. Until next time, be blessed.